Okay, welcome everyone. So we finished our photo sensor model. Now we've controlled LED using the photo sensor. Now we're going to working with the sound sensor. But since we are using Tinkercad, we simulate the sound or the signals the sound send using the potentiometer. Right. So let's get straight to it. So first our Arduino board, our breadboard, our potentiometer, which will leave at 250 resistance. Okay, so put up our LED and also our resistor, which you won't forget to leave at 220 ohms. Alright, okay. Now we'll connect the wires. Our left side goes to the 5B, the right side, the middle side goes to AO, and then our left side goes to GND. Now, here we'll put our code and then we'll run our simulation. Okay, as you can see, with the knob changing, the serial monitor is monitoring the values, which means that the signals which we are simulating as sound signals are being sent to the Arduino board. Alright, now let's connect that to our LED over here. We flip it. As usual, we put this over here as to be on the same row. Then put this on the GND and then we send this to our pin 8. Okay. Okay, now we are going to simulate the clapping sound. As you can see, the light is on. Clap off, clap on, clap off, clap on. Can you guys see? Clap off, clap on. Alright, so this is us simulating the sound sensor using the potentiometer.